All right, look, we need to talk. So, we have all been there. I promise, if you've ever used Adobe Illustrator, we have been there. You make your text, you get finished with all of whatever you're doing, and you're like, can we use a different font on the text that you used and you've already applied a gradient to? Is it possible to just change that font real fast? Yeah, sure. I just have to remake the entire thing as far as the text goes. What if there was a better way? I made a video 3 hours ago on doing gradient overlays on text, and you expand of the appearance of the text layer, and then you can apply your gradient, or you can right click on the text layer and create an outline, and then you can apply your gradient. But as soon as you do either of those things, you and I, we both know that that's dumb. There's a better way. All right, so we're in Lightroom. Been creating a lot of tutorials lately. I haven't even made a Lightroom tutorial. Who wants a Lightroom tutorial? I don't even make those. We're in Illustrator, and I have my document open. It's just a 1920 by 1080. I even named this gradient text Illustrator. This has been open for hours because I told you I made one earlier. I will show you. Look, I made one already. I made this earlier. Like when did I make this? 2:37 in 3 seconds. So I made this 3 hours and 6 minutes ago. I made one already. This is a better way, I promise. Anyways, sorry. I'm excited. All right, so text. It doesn't even matter. Gradient text. Oh, we'll just center it up just because we can. You know what? I'm gonna show you all 3 ways, and then I'm just gonna let you pick. I'm gonna do all 3, and you pick which one you want. So I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna duplicate this one and put it up here. All right. So the first way. All right. So we're gonna do like what we normally would. You would expand the appearance, and you would apply the gradient. Can you change? Can you do me a favor? Can you change? Oh, you can't change it. We all know that. This is dumb. All right, so the other way. Click on the text layer. Oh, my brain. Where did it go? There it is. Create outlines or Shift Control O. No one's ever going to remember that. And then boom, apply your gradient. You can change the gradient on either of these if you want. You can do whatever you want. There is a better way. So follow closely. I promise. Click on this layer. Go to fill. No fill. You want no fill, I promise. And then do whatever you have to do to get appearance. It's right here. Window, appearance. Click there. Now go down to this box. Add new fill. You're like, well, that just added the same color that was there. I don't know why I'm talking like this. This is how pumped up I am about this. I wish I had known about this my entire life. What? Stop it. Well, that doesn't prove anything. All the proof you need. Come on now. Shoot. I wish I'd have known about this my whole life. Make sure that you do it this way, because if you don't do it this way, it does weird stuff. Make sure when you click on the layer, get rid of the original fill color, go to appearance, new fill, and then you can change it to whatever you want, and you can edit the text later. That's it. That's all we need. That's all we're here for. We're done. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you want more videos. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we will see you in the next one.